Hello friends, hello students. Let us become more techno friendly. So from now onwards, we'll be not sending the pics on WhatsApp. There is a little change. We'll be uploading the homework on Teams only. Okay, in the Teams we have notebooks, and in that particular notebooks we'll be uploading it. Fine. So how to upload it? So I'm preparing this video so that it can help you out in uploading. So let us see. If you see your teams, you see two different teams. One is your activity team and second one is your class team. Okay, so when you will go to your class team, when you'll click on that team, on the left hand side you will see different sections like class notebook, assignments, grade, and so on. So click on this class notebook. When you will click on this class notebook, you will see that a search icon. Can you see this search icon? On top of the search icon you will see one more icon in the form of books. When you click on that, you will see that a welcome page, collaboration space, content library. Now here I am using Aditya Saran's account. Fine. So what Aditya Saran will see, what you people will see, you will see your name, and after that you will see handouts, quizzes, homework, and there is one class, one group. If you click on that group, you will see different sections. Fine. Like Hindi classwork, Hindi homework, EVS classwork, EVS homework, and so on. Each and every subject has one classwork notebook and one homework notebook. Now how to upload it? Suppose today I have done one classwork. Fine. But I have not sent it on WhatsApp. Now I'll be sending it from I'll be uploading it. So how to upload it? I will click on this maths classwork notebook. When I'll click, then here on top you can see that there are options like file, home, insert. I will click on insert, and then you can see there is one more option here below, that is picture. Now my work is in the form of picture because I have taken a pic from mobile and I have uploaded it on the desktop. Fine. So here my homework is in the form of picture, and I have to take from my file. I will choose a file. Now where to choose a file? My file is on desktop. Can you see? So this is my classwork. This last work is my classwork. I will select this and then I will open it. When I'll open it, then I will press the insert button, and this file, this work has been uploaded. This is called uploading of the work. Fine. Now when we upload the work, don't forget to give a title. Suppose I have to give mental maths, and suppose today is 22nd August, and I'll put a date also, 22nd August 21. Fine. So students, this title is very important. Why it is important? Because if you will not put this title, teacher won't be able to see the work. Through this title only she will see, yes, the child has uploaded. So this title, putting the title, is very important. Let me give you one more example. So again, now I have to go to upload my homework. Suppose maths homework, you are getting it daily. So I have to upload maths homework. When I'll upload maths homework, again I will see I have to insert it again. Okay. After clicking on insert, I will come to picture because it is again in the picture form. So I'll click on picture, and when I'll click on picture, there will be three options, that is from file, from camera, and from online. So my pictures are in this particular system only. So it is on desktop. So I'll click from file. Now here when I'll click on file, it is asking choose a file. Now from where you have to select your file. My files are kept on desktop. So second last picture is the homework which I have to upload it. I will select this, open it, and then insert it. After inserting it, then again don't forget to give a title. Suppose exercise, this is exercise, suppose exercise 13. Today is 22nd August. Question number C and D. 22nd August 21. Question number C and D. So now from this tag, from this title, it is clear that what work you have uploaded it. So in this way you have to just see. Suppose if you have got Hindi homework or Hindi classwork, you have to upload it here. Whether it is a spiral work or your notebook work, you have to upload it here. So if you still find any query, drop a message on WhatsApp and I'll be rectifying your problems. Good day.